Hi, I'm Lindsay Del Carlo, the Trial Garden Manager for Renee's Garden Seeds. And today I'm going to show you how I harvest lavender to dry. I'm harvesting Renee's Munstead English lavender, and we have this beautiful border of English lavender that we have just for this purpose. So I like the lavender to be just at this stage where it blooms from the bottom up on the flower spikes, and when it's about halfway bloomed, I start cutting, and this way the essential oils have come out and it's really fragrant. So I'll go through and quickly rough cut all of the stems. I'll keep cutting until I have a good amount. Once I have a big bunch, I go lay it out on a sheet that I have laid out in full sun. Clean sheet here, and I'll just make a thin layer of lavender. Lay it out, and then I keep cutting until I have enough. So I have a nice amount of my lavender here, and I'm going to lay it out in a thin layer on the sheet. And this will take about a week to dry. I'm going to cover the lavender with another thin sheet. Since we have a lot of overhead trees here, it'll help it keep it clean, keep the leaves out. So I'll cover it with a sheet, and it dries just fine right through the sheets. Once our lavender stems are nice and dry, we'll come back and we'll take the next step to separate the lavender calyxes from the stems. For harvesting the lavender, I've just rough cut off all of the blooming stems. And so once you're done, you'll want to go back through and finely prune your lavender to shape so that it will grow back nice and vigorous. It will keep a nice shape and keep it from getting woody. So you can see our next video on pruning lavender to shape.